welcome back to my channel. Today's video I want to do a really nice summery look, golds and oranges and things. So that's my plan. I really hope you enjoyed editorial week last week. I only got 5 out of the 7 looks up. But I enjoyed the looks that I did manage to get off and stuff, so I hope you did too. Okay, so I'm going to make a start with this look. So first of all, I'm going to go in with the In Transit Camera Close-Up. So it's a mask, moisturiser and primer in one from the brand This Works. It's really nice. Pop some skin. So I'll definitely be continuing doing editorial looks. Because there was one look that was suggested to me, the Dior 2009 fashion makeup look, which is like the 1920s twist to it. And I do want to still do that one, but it involves hair as well. So I kind of want to sit down and really plan that and execute that as best as I can. So that definitely will be one coming up soon. Okay, I'm going to go in with the Doctor Who Skirt Bronzing Tint next. I have to tip it onto the back of my hand as I haven't got much left of this now. Oh, buff this into the skin. And make sure I drag it down the neck. So one of the reasons I didn't get a video up on Sunday was because I was packing all day long. So I'm actually moving very soon. Me and my flatmate are moving to a house with a spare room so people can stay, and also a garden obviously for her puppy Bertie. So everything in my room is currently boxed up and I'm struggling to get to everything. So I'm currently sat on my bed, which is now on the floor as I've taken apart my bed, so it's just the mattress, and filming this video. So the makeup's the last thing I'm going to properly pack away and stuff. But I'm excited because my new room won't have a green wall. Not that there's anything wrong with greens, and if this was an eyeshadow I'd happily put this on my eyes, but I don't like it for a wall colour. So I'm going to be quite glad because it's just like a plain creamy white colour, so I just think I would prefer it a lot more. But yeah, so we are moving shortly. So yeah, that day I was just packing everything up. And also it was such a beautiful day that day as well. And so once I completed a lot of the packing, we decided, me and Emma, to go out for a few drinks as it's such nice weather. So kind of got carried away and lost in the day, but I will continue, like I said, to do these looks. So I'm actually going in now with the Ordinary Serum Foundation. Just all over the skin. And then I'm going to go in the Hint Beauty Concealer just to cover any areas I need to. So under my eyes and any blemishes. I'm just going to go in with my finger for this. Just going to take a sponge and just further blend that in. Okay, then I'm going to bronze up my skin, so I'm going to use the Lily Low Miami Beach. I'm still going with this even though it's pretty much almost all gone. I'm going to use every last bit of this first. Just really go ahead and bronze up the skin. Oh! Okay, I've realised I haven't set certain areas, so I'll just do that in a second. Let's just bronze up the skin. Okay, so I'll quickly go in my collection Primed and Ready Invisible Setting Powder. I just like to set under my eyes. I'm just going to set my T-zone areas, that's where I get quite oily. I'm going to add some blush to my cheeks. I'm going to take the Lily Low Coralista Blusher Duo. I'm also going to use the Champagne Highlighter as well. First of all, take the blusher, whack this on my cheeks. Yeah, and then take the highlighter. I'm just going to pop this on my usual areas, so like the cheekbone area. Pop the brows. And you can really go for it, especially for a summer look. You can just really go in with the highlighter. Send down the bridge of the nose a little bit. Cupid's bow. And I'm going to drag some under the brow as well. So moving on to the eye portions. I will first of all obviously prime my eyes using my Lily Low eye primer. Okay, so I'm actually going to take first of all the 100% Pure Naked 2 palette, and I'm actually first of all going to go back in with a bronzer or whatever's left on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to shove this through the crease to really warm up the crease area and it kind of tie in everything together. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this shade here, which is the shade Splendor, on a fluffy brush. And I'm going to pop this kind of through the crease and onto the outer portion. So I'm actually going to start on the outer portion first. And then buff it slowly through the crease. Now what I'm going to do is take the brush I use for the bronzer on my eyes and use it just to really help further blend those colours together. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit more primer just right on the lid section. I need a tacky base for this next bit. And then I'm going to take the Lily Lolo Mineral Eyeshadow in Bronze Sparkle. So I said golds earlier, I meant bronzy tones and oranges. And I'm going to take this on just a really small flat brush. Pick a whole bunch of this up. Just take what's ever in the lid, make sure I tap off. And that's why I put the primer back on again, just to have a real tacky base when I pop this eyeshadow over the top. It just helps it stick a bit more. I'm using that brush where I use that dark brown colour just to go over the edges and make sure those are blended in with the Bronze Sparkle. Now I think I want to add a little bit of gold on top of that bronze, so I'm going to go in actually with the highlighting shade from Lily Lolo, the champagne one. I'm just going to use the exact same brush, pick some of this up and just go over it slightly. Just add a bit of that champagne-ness to it. Nothing too crazy. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Nabla Velvet Line eyeliner in Bombay Black. It's a nice creamy eyeliner. I'm just going to run this along the upper lash line, but just on the outer portion only. Just going to help shape the eyes and kind of give some definition along the lash line. And then what you can do is you grab, it's like a little detailer brush, pencil brush probably better, but you can just run along it just to kind of smudge it into the rest of the look. Because I don't want a harsh black line there, I just want a little bit of definition. Now for the lower lash line, I don't want to go in too heavy, because I quite like having that lighter look underneath. So what I'm going to do is take some of the bronzer again, but on a smaller brush, and literally just drag that underneath. I'm going to add mascara to my eyes, so I'm going to take the Lily Lolo Big Lash Mascara. And go ahead and give my lashes a good couple of coats. Okay, and then to finish off his lips. Now I really wanted an orange lip for this look, And I swear I had a lot more orange lipsticks. I don't know if I've got rid of them or something. So the only one I've really got that's orangey is this one here from Kiko. It's one of those double liquid lipstick ones in shade 114. So you've got any recommendations for really nice kind of orangey toned lipsticks? Because they are my favourite colour to wear in the summer, so I don't know why I don't have any left. And I really know when I was packing everything up, I really noticed the lack of orange lipsticks. So yeah, if you've got any recommendations, please leave them down below. But I'm going to first of all actually go in with a red lipstick base. This is the Colourpop Velvet Blur lipstick in Solo. So it's just like a red lipstick, and I think it'd be quite a nice base because I feel like this would be too bright on my lips for what I want. So I'm going to put this on and then have this as like a topper. I feel like 100% Pure have really nice, have a nice orange, like their matte lipsticks I've got. I feel like they'd have a really good orange to wear. And obviously if you wanted a really sharp lip line, go with a lip liner first, but I don't. I quite like how this looks. And actually this is a really nice colour that goes with his eyes, but like I said, I do want orange. So I'm just going to go over the colour only. I'm not going to seal it in place because it should stick with the lipstick underneath. So yeah, so it's just turned it more into like orangey type red, which I think I really like. Obviously red goes with this look really well, and I actually liked how it looked as well when it was just the red lipstick, but yeah, I wanted orange for this look as it's my favourite summer colour. But like I said, for some reason I've got no orange lipsticks left. So yeah, this is the look complete. I want to do something more wearable obviously because I've been doing the editorial looks. Which I will continue to do like I keep saying, but yeah, I wanted to get this look up, and as it's been such lovely weather at the moment, I thought perfect, let's do some summery makeup. So that is the look complete. I really hope you enjoyed. Leave any requests for future videos down below, and also recommendations for really nice orange toned lipsticks, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.